Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I have brought a new tutorial for you again. With this tutorial, you will make your editing better. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. You guys aren't subscribing, and if you did subscribe, it would motivate me to make more videos like this, so please subscribe. So now we will start, but before that, here is the preview. Let's start, guys. Now look carefully and adjust with me. Do everything carefully. Done. Now we will add the filter, so let's move ahead. Now we will go to adjust again. Now you have to adjust it a little bit according to your video. Done. Now we have to add effects. Adjust with me. Done. Now export the video and your video will be complete. Your video is now complete. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.